Hi, I'm Mike Kilalia with drillingcontractor.org. Thanks for tuning into this webcast. I'm here at the 2018 SPE Annual Technical Conference and Exhibition here in beautiful Dallas, and we're here to talk about rotary steerable systems. I'm here with Neil Bird, who's Product Line Manager for Rotary Steerable Systems for Scientific Drilling, Inc. Neil, thanks a lot for taking the time to be with us here today. And I'd first like to set the stage for our listeners. So what is a rotary steerable system, and what is its role in today's drilling market?
Rotary steerable systems are a method of controlling the direction and trajectory of a wellbore while continually rotating the drill pipe. So we can control the inclination and azimuth from where we're drilling with continuous rotation and the benefits attached to that ability.
And so how does this compare to previous methods? And how is it superior to what we used before we had rotary steerables and pushing bit systems?
The majority of directional control historically has been done with motor-driven technology. You run a motor at the bottom of the BHA with a bend at the bottom, and you orient the bend by cutting the surface rotation of the pipe, and then you orient the bend in the direction you want to go. So at this point, you are always trying to overcome friction in the wellbore to keep the tool moving on bottom. And as wells have evolved and horizontal technology has become the norm, and longer laterals are now the standard in the US, this technology has limitations in the ability to execute these wells. And to be fair, the technology has adapted as well to try and cope with the change in well requirements, but it still is behind the ability of a rotary steerable in these scenarios.
Okay, and here we're talking about Scientific Drilling's new tool, the Halo rotary steerable system. What are some of the main advantages and differentiators of Halo from other systems?
Halo is an in-house project we kicked off in 2015. It's been under development and testing ever since. We have targeted the tool at the high end of the US market at the moment and the international market, and in particular unconventional applications. We have the capability of a total combined RPM at the bit of 350 RPM for performance drilling applications with a motor assist in the BHA. We have a single piece collar pickup which minimizes HSE and rig handling issues at the rig site if the tool ships ready to go effectively. We have an ability to generate a 15-degree dogleg curve. That's the amount of curvature per 100 feet we can generate with our directional control. And this allows us in the US market in particular to maximize the lateral length we have in the reservoir. And finally, and one of the most significant features we have on the tool, which we incorporated in June this year, was a 3D control. So we can control both inclination and azimuth at the tool. We can specify what we want the tool to do in terms of inclination and azimuth, and the tool will automatically track onto that inclination and azimuth and hold it as required. And we have real-time communication with the tool throughout all this, so we have full visibility on the surface of what is happening, and we have this level of directional control which is at the highest end of the market of tools available today.
Okay, fantastic. So I thought that development began in 2015, which was, how do we say, a terrible time for the drilling industry. What drove that decision to begin then?
The rotary steerable market has been growing over the last decade in the US, and it's open for more competition in that market space. And for Scientific, a company which has been driven by technological innovation over the decades in both surveying and latterly in motor technology, it's an obvious progression of the technology we currently have to evolve into that market space. So the decision was taken to develop this technology in a downturn with the view that the technology would be becoming commercial as we came out of the downturn. And we have a large presence in the conventional markets already, and we believe with the investment we've made and the calculated risk involved in that investment, it puts us in a prime position going forward to be able to leverage this new technology into the market.
And Neil, you all have done several wells here over the last year and a half or so. What have those results been like, and how have the customers and the operators felt about it?
We've staged up on what we've tried to execute at the rig site from laterals only, low inclination wells, and we've gradually progressed onto curved lateral, higher dogleg curves and laterals as we've staged up the development of the tool. We made a major upgrade package to the tool in June, and we're now seeing the benefits of that since we have that. Recent performance in terms of ROP downhole, our lateral control, both in terms of inclination and azimuth control, have been exceptional since that upgrade. And we believe now our performance level and the technical capabilities of the tool are such that obviously formal commercialization of the tool going forward.
Okay, well, thanks a lot, Neil, and congratulations on the new tool. Thanks to all of you for tuning in and listening. I'm Mike Kilalia. Come see us some more at drillingcontractor.org, and see you later. Bye.